Teaching in the digital age means being more than just a subject matter expert. It means becoming a virtual facilitator, a tech-savvy guide, and an architect of engagement. Virtual and hybrid sessions offer incredible flexibility, but they also come with new challenges. Shorter attention spans, technical hiccups, disconnected learners. So how do you lead sessions that are not just effective, but energizing? Let's break it down. First, set the stage before the session even begins. Send clear instructions, login details, and materials in advance. Give people time to prepare, not panic. If it's hybrid, explain how online and in-person participants will engage equally. Equity is key. Second, start with energy and clarity. Greet people by name. Turn on your camera. Use music or a warm welcome slide. Set the tone early. This isn't a passive webinar. This is interactive learning. Share the agenda, goals, and norms. Tell people what to expect and how they can participate. Third, master your tech tools. Use breakout rooms, polls, whiteboards, chat, and screen sharing, but don't overdo it. Choose tools that support your purpose, not just your slides. Know your platform well. Test your audio, practice transitions. Have a backup plan for when tech fails, because sometimes it will. Fourth, design for interaction. The biggest mistake in virtual learning, talking too much. You're not a broadcaster. You're a bridge. Ask questions. Use the chat. Pause for reflection. Call on names if your group allows for it. Involve learners every 3 to 5 minutes. If you're teaching hybrid, balance the voices. Don't forget your online learners. Acknowledge them. Engage them. Bring them into the conversation. Create visual variety. In virtual sessions, visuals matter more than ever. Use slides with big fonts, clean layouts, and strong images. Change the screen often. Show a face, then a slide, then a board, then a poll. Visual rhythm keeps people tuned in. Sixth, encourage connection. Adults don't just learn from content, they learn from each other. Use breakout rooms or small group chats to foster discussion. In hybrid settings, consider cross-group pairing, in-room with online. You can also use shared docs or message boards to capture group thoughts in real time. 7, be human. Tech may fail, dogs may bark, cameras may freeze. That's okay. Embrace it. Laugh. Adapt. Show up as yourself, relatable, real, and ready to learn alongside your participants. Your presence matters more than your perfection. 8th, read the room, even the virtual one. Watch for engagement signals, chat activity, camera cues, emojis, tone of voice. Ask, how's this landing, or does anyone need a pause? Build in pulse checks, not just to measure, but to connect. Follow up. Send a recap, resources, or replay link after the session. Ask for feedback. It shows you care and helps you improve. If possible, continue the conversation asynchronously via discussion forum, message board, or email thread. And finally, reflect. After each session, ask yourself, what worked? What didn't? What could I try differently next time? Even the best facilitators keep learning. Virtual and hybrid sessions aren't a backup plan anymore. They're a core part of how we educate, engage, and evolve. And when led with intention, presence, and purpose, they can be just as powerful as any room. So don't just go live. Go bold. Go human. Go connected. Because great sessions aren't about the platform. They're about the experience you create